Okay, so I am Nurse Nookie, Mars's primary caregiver and loving wife of 21 years now. And I think it's 21. On November 25th, 1992, I received my first letter from Marsman because we did he saw my work in Pine Bluff and he wrote me a fan letter. And so he says, it starts A.M. I'm Alice Guffey Miller, so that's the A.M. Are you a morning person or just your initials? Up at the diamond hour, sparks off the day's jumper cables, preview a blazing horizon. Shocking, isn't it, what a dew can daze? I saw your transmutations in Pine Bluff a month or so ago. I thought you were a Mara Indian or a Mara African. Then I see your picture and you look Euro-Arkansan. I pick stuff up off of and out of the ground, water, snow, and play with it. But I never put it together like you do. Zeus Almighty, girl. Just wanted to tell you I value what you are doing. Signed, Gary Marshall. It's my very first letter. And I was in Bolivia working with street kid children, so it took a while for me to get that. But I wrote him back. And I'm not going to read all these. I'm just going to see. Okay. But here's one. Wallace and Mars. Mars calls me Wallace. Now I'm sort of Nurse Nookie. Nurse Nookie doesn't get what Wallace used to get. When our eyes meet, I recognize a nature. Realize how long I've been looking for you. As we converse, I hear a voice healing my doubts and drowning my hesitations. When our hands touch, I feel a fire forge a bond between our family souls. As our lips kiss, my nerves flutter, we fold into essence. You melt into mine. I will not let you fall. That's August 27th, 1993. And I don't have these in real good order here, but here is, this is December 19th, 1994. This is our wedding day from the blooming groom. Sun and rain heal us. Stars and planets inspire us. Moon and fireflies remind us to give each other freedom, to grow on into trusting tomorrow in each other. Each day together seeds an eternity of generous helpings, dance, dinner, drink, song, smoke, celebrating. We lovers are family and friends.
Yeah.
And this one, I don't know that this one's dated. Well, actually it is. This is April 6, 94. So maybe I am in some kind of order here. And this is, what is it? Pyrotechnic Wallace. Sparklers of wonder burst and flare behind your face. Freckles of fire spark your smile. Firecrackers of creation snap and pop from your fingers. Hands of art explode into activity. I'm an artist, by the way. Okay, let's see. And this is the last one that he wrote me, I do believe. Yeah, because that one already. Okay, so this is the last poem that he wrote, and this was for our anniversary, I think. It is not dated, or is it? I don't know. Excuse me, I can't read that. Okay, Wallace from Mars. 20 years ago, I asked a question that changed my life. The answer was you. Energy, attitude, and excitement roll into a tornado of Alice Guffey Miller. I can scarcely call you mine. Your glowing face gives smiles to all who look your way. Your art hangs, stands, swings through our house and outside for all to look at your heart in your art. Your singing greeting tosses horses' heads, puts a wag on our dog, purr in our cat. Your rough-handed strength shared with art slaves and architects, with those who will work beside you. Sometimes I am jealous, but when I step back and see the forest of you, there is a tree you've planted just for me.
Yay!